Well, hey guys, welcome back to Bartlow's Barbecue, and today we are smoking, that's right, tri-tip. I am so excited. We are prepping this evening as we're gonna be smoking this tomorrow, and we're gonna let it season. I'm gonna season it, and we're gonna put it in the refrigerator and let that dry out just a little bit, but get ready for an amazing dark coat of bark that I cannot wait to show you. So today we're gonna be trying out Miss Rubens Black Magic. Yeah, my friends, it's gonna be so fun. And see, look how dark that is. It's gonna help the meat give it a dark bark. And as always, I like to use some type of material like this, like mustard. You could use olive oil or whatever you wanna use it, just to kind of get that rub adhering to your meat. And then we're gonna let it sit overnight. And then tomorrow we're gonna put it on the Joe. I've got a classic 2, and we're gonna just smoke it and cannot wait. It doesn't take too long on a tri-tip, and then we'll show you how we slice it, and then we're gonna eat it. It's gonna be so awesome. All right, the first step is just to get a layer of mustard on here. Again, wear your glove, have a clean hand to be able to shake everything, but we're gonna use this hand to rub it, and then we'll put the rub down that way. So here we go. All right. My friends, we're gonna coat it. Oh, look at how dark that is. Okay, that is the first layer. I'm gonna show you at a good angle, kind of what it looks like there. Okay. We're gonna make sure I can get the side here. Ooh. Okay, now we're gonna make sure we get the sides here. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna flip it. Put some. Alright. Okay. Yeah, you just gotta get your rub on there at your desired comfort level. Also, like, make sure you get the sides as well. It's like gunpowder is what it looks like, but it's not, and it's gonna taste amazing, I promise. All right, my friends, and all I'm gonna do just for the evening is take this tin foil, and I'm gonna just literally cover it up like this, and then simply put it in the refrigerator. Well, hey guys, welcome back to Bartlow's Barbecue, and today we are putting on the tri-tip on the Kamado Joe. Last night we prepped it, we seasoned it, we put it in the refrigerator overnight, and today I did a little infusion, which you typically don't need to do on such a small piece of meat. But one thing I love about barbecue is trying new things, and so I tried a little infusion to kind of make it very tasty and tender as well. And we're going to put this on for close to an hour and check the temperature. But what I like to do to make sure the meat is all seasoned, I double check and make the sides are all good, and they are. And now what we're going to do is we're going to simply put this on there. I've already put my wood chips in here. And today, I'm using apple wood chips, and I think it's gonna have a wonderful taste to it. And we're gonna check it out when we get up to that 135 temperature. And then I'm gonna probably wrap it in foil. Hey guys, we are going to be cut open this amazing tri-tip. It looks delicious. It's been sitting for 30 to 40 minutes as I let it rest, and it smells delicious, and I'm hoping it looks delicious. So what we're going to do, give it a nice cut here. Okay, you're seeing it for the first time, just like I am. Oh yeah. Look at that tenderness. Cannot wait to eat that. Seeing it here for the first time. Well guys, again, thank you for watching Bartlow's Barbecue. If you like this video, please like it, subscribe, turn on your notifications, share it to friends. I'd love to know what you think of what you saw today, and if you have any ideas of and tips that you'd want to make on the tri-tip, I would love to hear them. Love to know your recipes. Love to know what you're learning on this barbecue journey. And if you have any ideas of things that you'd like me to smoke or try, I would love to try it as I'm continuing to learn how to barbecue. Love this. Is one of my favorite hobbies. Well, I hope you have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Well, and friends, we are back. I just got done slicing this amazing tri-tip. Look at the tenderness. You've got the right color flavor there and tenderness. That 140 temperature, let it sit for 30 minutes, and it's so tender. It tastes delicious. You can see that great bark. Very happy with how this turned out.